Today I'm going to show you how to make your own taco seasoning. This is super easy, and usually you'll already have the ingredients at home, and it really helps you to control your salt content. I actually don't put any salt in my taco seasoning. You certainly can if you want to, but I find with all of these flavors, I don't necessarily need it. So the ingredients you're going to need is paprika, garlic powder, cumin, onion powder, chili powder, and oregano. And the majority of what we're going to use is the paprika, and then the other spices are kind of helper spices. Because I tend to do this in bulk, I do tend to do kind of an easy ratio. I don't play with the list too much. It's kind of a 5 parts of paprika to 1 part of the other 5 spices. So what I'll do is I'll take like 3 tablespoons of the paprika and like 1 teaspoon of everything else if I'm doing a small batch, or if I'm doing a bigger batch where I kind of like want to fill a whole container, then I will actually do 1/3 of a cup of the paprika, and then I will do 1 tablespoon of each of the spices. So I'm getting a little bit low on my taco seasoning, so we're going to go with kind of the bulkier method today. So I'm literally just going to take 1/3 of a cup, and again, I'm not worrying about exact measurements. So we're going to do 1/3 of a cup of the paprika, then we're going to do 1 tablespoon of the garlic, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of the onion powder, 1 tablespoon of the chili powder, and then 1 tablespoon of the oregano. And I really like having these mini whisks because I feel like they're really helpful in order to get my spices blended in. And I don't worry about getting it actually super blended, just roughly blended, because once I put it into my jar, I can also just shake it, and that'll also get it blended in. So once I have it sort of mixed, we're going to grab our taco seasoning container. I have these small little funnels that I use. If I'm doing a bigger batch, I might actually use a bigger funnel. Just so this video goes a little bit faster, we'll use a bigger one. And then we're just going to start adding our mix in there. We'll speed up this part in the video so you're not sitting here for an hour. Once I have everything in there, I'm just going to put my lid on and then just shake it. And that'll help kind of get the rest of the ingredients mixed together. And there you go. You have your taco seasoning ready, and super fast, super easy, and way cheaper than buying it in the store.